I'm Mariko from Japan, and thank you so much to have the special time for us. And in Japan, I always search about the immigration system, but it's so limited. But today we have the great presentation for your staff. Like, I didn't know that there are so many immigrants from other countries, and in Kyrgyz there are so many other countries surrounded by the many countries, and they always cooperate with some like immigration system. So thank you so much.
That would mean that we will literally wouldn't have teachers in the schools. We wouldn't have doctors in the